Okay. Hi, I'm Ken. This is Easy 2 Tips and Tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a tiling spacer that's stuck in the grout between the tile. I have another video when I laid this floor, installed it, where there are some tiling spacers that were stuck. And I showed you this technique that I invented, that I designed, to remove stuck tiling spacers quick and easy. And so now I'm going to show you how to remove a stuck tiling spacer in the grout. It was an oversight. You don't want to catch your foot on it. It could cut your foot possibly. And again, it's an oversight. So I will show you how to remove it without damaging your grout between the tile. And then I'm going to show you how this tiling under the cabinet, the vessel sink, came out. Nobody's doing this that I know of. This was something that I came up with here to make this bathroom 100% complete and restored, remodeled. So I'll be showing you that at the end. So stay until the end. I'll show you what this tile under the cabinet, under the vessel sink looks like in the cabinet. And this may take off. You know, people may really like this, and next thing you know, it's everywhere. But you saw it here first. Tiling under the sink. So tell a friend it's a win-win-win. Alright, this is it right here. Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove this without damaging the grout. Removing the tiling spacer without damaging your grout. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I did this on my last video. I've never seen anybody else do this. This was my idea. Okay. Alright, we want this to get good and hot. We want this to about turn almost red, or red is okay. Alright. It's probably getting pretty close. Okay. Now, alright, let's take it down. There you go. Now I can clean it up a little bit. Alright. But before I do, let me show you what that's looking like up close and personal. Okay. Alright. Take a little closer. Alright, you can see right in here. Now I'm on zoom. Alright, you can see right in here I need to take a little bit more out. So I'm going to get this hot and go into it. And then we'll take it out. Okay. I'm just going to cut that away and melt it away. Okay, bam. Just get down in there. Just melt that in, melt that out. Alright, you see I just picked this out. Now I'll fill it in with a little grout. We'll be gooder than new. We'll be good as new. Okay, you'll never know. Alright, so let me show you what that's going to look like here. Okay. Now if you didn't know that was there, you wouldn't see it. So I'm going to unzoom this. But on principle, okay, I am going to make up a teaspoon of grout. I don't even need a teaspoon. And this will disappear. All right. Just going to clean that up a bit. Okay, stand by. All right, now let's fill this in. Doesn't take but just a drop here. Okay. Now I could have put some tape on that each side of the joint. Okay, now I'm just gonna slightly go over it. Alright, gone. It needs to be filled in just a little more, but you see, it's basically gone. Okay? And that's how it's done. Okay? I'm going to put in just a hair more. Okay? And we will be in like Flynn. We will be gooder than new. Okay. Now, right now, all right, now I made up just a drop, literally a drop. Okay, I'm using these two drywall blades. Okay. And just kind of come across. Get that smoothed out. Come across very lightly. Okay. Okay, now. Now I used a liquid polymer. Just a few drops just to make almost like a little paste. Okay, when I did this, that way it will reassure its connection and being securely bonded to the grout that was already there. All right. And there you have it, folks. Going right along this outer edge of that tile. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to go over with a very lightly dampened sponge. And we will be good. Let's let my fingertip just kind of lightly run across this. Okay. All right. Now, you'll never know when it's dry. It'll all be good. Oops, there it is. All right, now. Okay, are you ready? As promised, let's take a look and see how this tiling underneath the vanity came out. All right, are you ready for this? First time to be seen, well, second time to be seen, but I don't know anybody else doing this. So you've seen it here first, my idea. Let's check it out. There's the waterfall faucet. There it is. Oh, look at that down in there. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Get set. Bam. Now I have videos showing you how I made these inside corners, the cuts on the 45 on a wet saw. Okay. And I have videos showing you this process. All right, but there it is. Up close and personal. Okay. I don't know anybody else that has done this. This is my original idea right here. Look forward to hearing from you, and if there's somebody else that done this in the past, let me know. I haven't heard of anybody doing it, not yet. Okay, now I'm going to show you one other original step that I took. All right. Now, as promised, all right, this is the medicine cabinet. All right. Now let's see what tiled cabinet shelves look like. Up close and personal. Okay. Look at this. Tiled cabinet shelves. This is your medicine cabinet. Okay. There it is. Okay. And then one more shot of this custom shampoo shelf. Another original creation of mine. Bam. Original shampoo shelf. Alright, let me show it to you up close and personal. Alright. There it is. This looks like just an average, everyday, normal shampoo shelf. Alright, now, let me show you what makes it so special. Do you see it? Do you see what makes it so special? Alright, there's also an added feature. Okay, there is a razor blade holder. It could be a his and hers if I had one here on the other side, but I don't. So you can make a his and hers easy enough. And this has an extended shelf. This is like about 3 inches here. Alright, with an extension on that shelf, which allows you to have soap, your shampoo, your clean rinse, your body wash. Alright, you have plenty of storage with that extension. And then another original creation of mine, under the shower seat for storage. Alright, and I got like about a 3/4 of an inch slope from the back coming out to the front. 3/4 of an inch. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying until the end. And this is some extra bonuses. Seeing these other parts. For those of you that haven't ever seen this, these are all my original creations here in this master bathroom remodel. And I show you exactly how to make these shelves using this glue and then gluing it to the shelf. I'll show you how to make these shelf inserts. Okay, that's medicine cabinet shelf inserts. That's what those are. And that can be used on any shelf in general. That same technique. Tiling underneath your vanity sink or your cabinet sink. how many kitchen sinks are messed up, warped, coming apart, in bad shape, in most of homes. Just to eliminate that problem and having it last you like just by tiling. That's what he's doing. And if somebody has in the past, please let me know. I'd like to know. Send me some pictures. But it has to look old. It has to be genuinely done in the past. As far as I know, I'm the first one to do this. So I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. And remember, tell a friend it's a win-win-win about easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. And we're coming to you live from beautiful downtown southern sunny California. And never give up, because there's always a way. Always. So God bless. Bye for now. We'll catch you on the next one.